Hello everybody, welcome back to Mind Your Money. In this video, I am so excited to be sharing with you the budget and also do some cash stuffing for my first Google AdSense check. So stay tuned. Hey legacy builders, thank you for coming back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Tasha and I'm documenting my family of five's journey to FIRE, financial independence, retire early. We are your average people who are just trying to help better our finances to build generational wealth for our family. And as always, I record my videos very early in the morning, so that is why my voice is just lustrous right now. I am going to break down how much money, where the money is going for our first, it's Google AdSense that pays us, but we'll call it a YouTube check for sake of the video. I'm going to go ahead and just share with you what I'm using quickly. I'm so excited. I don't even know what the format should be, but I want to shout out Kathy at Kathy's Cash and Coin for sharing her, I think it's her second, maybe or third YouTube paycheck, and I like how she broke it down. So what I'm using is this tool pen. I purchased a pack, and this is pink, and because everything I'm using today is basically pink, I really like pink. I didn't like it when I was younger, but I really like it now. I have this binder that might be a little bit difficult to see, but it says Mind Your Money on it. I won this binder and the envelopes from Shalise over at Mommy Trader. She had a 1K giveaway and I was one of the winners picked. This binder and the envelopes inside were created by Brittany over at Plan Your One Life, and I'm super excited that I got this. And I am using, to break down the budget, is this Beyond the Budget money planner that I purchased from Nicole over at Frugal Chic Life. Nicole is the bomb. Honestly, if you want any type of personal finance content, encouragement about budgeting, about managing money, and witness someone become the first millionaire in their family, then check out Nicole over at Frugal Chic Life. I'm going to use this. This is the book that I'm using to budget all of our side income. What I'm going to be doing today is breaking that down first. I'm sorry for the long intro, you guys. I'm just super excited. Okay, so I did create a budget for my first Google AdSense revenue. I know that the minimum to receive a payout is $100. So I got monetized in November, but it was late in November. So I believe what I did earn, which I'm going to write in the actuals for, was from not even half, the last part of November, December, and then you're paid a month after. So this is November and December that I'm being paid for, I believe. So that actual was $177. Now there was some change, but I'm not going to worry about the change because I do like to work with whole numbers, and I am working with percentages here. So how I'm breaking it down, 5% of whatever the actual number is or whatever the amount is going to stay as a cushion. 10% will be tithed, 10% will be saved, 20% will go to taxes, 25% will be invested, 30% will be spent. Now, of course, I will have to speak to my tax professional to make sure I'm putting enough aside for taxes. We agreed that 20% is good now, but we'll see how things progress because I don't know if this will count for January or for December because December was in the previous year, but we'll figure that out when we get there. But I like to be efficient and have a system for everything that works well because I don't want no trouble with the alphabet boys, okay? No trouble whatsoever. All right, so for Google AdSense on January 21st, we were paid $177, again, not using the change. So our total income is $177. My tithe is actually going to be 10%, and I'm going to do the math right here with you because I like to see that in videos, and hopefully you like to see it too. I know my calculator is not showing up as clear, but I'll try to lean it forward for you. Okay, 177 multiplied by 0.10 which is $17.70. Okay, we're going to round that up to 18 because that's what I like to do. So the actual for our tithe is 18, and because we're using 10%, $18 will be saved as well. And then taxes, which would basically be doubled, but we'll just do the math. 177 by 0.20 is $35.40. I'm just going to leave this at $35, okay? And then we have 25% of this Google AdSense income is going to be invested. So 177 by 0.25 is $44.25. I'm going to go ahead and round that up also to 45. All right, just keep it simple. And then 30% of what I've earned is what I'm going to spend, but I'm going to skip that for now and go to the 5% cushion because whatever change is left over, I want it to stay in this account. So 177 by 0.05 is $8.85, and that's what I'm going to put here. Let it stay behind, okay? And 30%, 177 by 0.30 is 53.10. So 53.10 is going to me. Well, let's make sure that's right because I don't want any problems. 18 plus 18 plus 35 plus 45 plus $8.85. That's 124. Ooh, forget my voice. 124.85, and we subtract 177. 52.15. Okay, let's make sure we did that right. So if we add my pay, 52.15, plus the cushion, plus investing, plus taxes, plus saving, plus tithe, it's 177. So $52.15. Okay. So how I broke this paycheck down: we're giving first, we're saving next, we're taking care of expenses, which again includes investing because I consider that an expense. I want to make sure it's done every single time I get side income, and then my pay is what I'm bringing home. So now I rounded up some of these numbers and I've already pulled out the cash that I need. So how this is going to break down is I am going to take $50 of this money and I'm going to stuff that in my binder, and I have 5 envelopes that I'm using, which makes this very easy. I'm excited about this. $50 is cash that we pulled out. The rest of this money stays back into a separate spending account for me. So where my operating account is going to keep this 5%. This is where I will pay any other expenditures that are directly related to this YouTube channel. And then this here, this $215 is going into account that I can spend it however I want to spend it. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If I didn't explain anything clearly, please let me know in the comments. I would love to talk to you guys because this is my first time. So our total is $177, and that's what we're going to budget. So you'll see on the screen that I have transferred a total of $18 to be saved, and that's going to stay there. $35 into the taxes, and that already had about $7.50. So you'll see the total there on the screen. 35 plus $7.50 means we have $42.50 in taxes. And then investing, I'm going to send this money to M1 Finance to be invested, and of course the $52.15, $2.15 are being transferred to my personal spending account with my Discover Cashback debit card, and then $8.85 is staying behind. So I'm going to get my binder. So here is my binder. I'm going to open this up, and I have, let's see if it's going to stay open because it is brand new. Maybe just take these out and lay it to the side for now. Okay, so first is miscellaneous, and I am putting $10 into miscellaneous. I have a card that I'm using to track the deposits or withdrawals. So we're adding $10 on the 22nd when I'm filming this video, and the balance is $10. So just go ahead and my $10, and this is my first time, you guys, so please be nice to me in the comments. All right, so we're basically putting $10 into each envelope because we have $50 to work with. So that's miscellaneous, and then gifts is next, and gifts today is also getting $10 for the initial deposit, and that balance again will be $10. So we have our $10 for gifts. Open this up. I really like these envelopes. Brittany did a great job, and I hope my little cell phone camera is doing it justice. Now, gifts are going to be for any gifts that I want to give away on this channel. Of course, I will be doing many giveaways, and I just have to say thank you again to everybody who has just been so supportive, watching the videos, watching the ads, not skipping the ads. Those who are intentionally working to help us just by watching a few ads is I'm so grateful. It's such a great gift. So I definitely want to be able to give back to you guys even more. And there will be just regular surprise giveaways as usual, because I like to do that for people I know who truly like being here. Thank you so much. Okay, next up is beauty, and for beauty we're going to christen this also with $10 today, and the balance will be $10. I really like these envelopes. This one's open. Is it open? Yes, there we go. So $10 into beauty. Put my little tracker in there that I created. And then we have fun. Fun is also getting $10 for their initial deposit, and the balance is $10. $10. I just realized, you guys, the money wasn't in frame the whole time. I'm so sorry. $10 into fun. Put in my tracker. Okay, that's fun. And then tech is the last. Fun is basically anything that I would like to do in relation to the channel. So whenever we're going to celebrate something new, celebrate a milestone, you know, for myself, that's what I want this to be for. Okay. And tech, of course, is kind of self-explanatory. Hopefully it's anything that I need to help enhance the videos. So the sound quality, microphones, camera. One day soon I'll be able to get one of those by the grace of God. All right, so tech is now getting $10, and finally I got to use all of the envelopes. I'm so excited. All right, so tech got 10, fun got 10, beauty got 10, gifts got 10, and miscellaneous 10. And that's anything that comes up that I need. Now, because this is my first one, tell me how I did. I'm so nervous. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just put these back into the binder. And I'm so glad that I was able to stuff each of them with this first YouTube revenue or Google AdSense revenue. I'm so excited. So boom, miscellaneous, gifts, beauty, fun, and tech. I am so loving this. Thank you so much. So I am going to go ahead and say thank you again to everyone for being here. I hope that you enjoyed this video. My first YouTube paycheck is in the move. We have stuffed $50 and we put aside our money for the alphabet boys. We are investing with this income, and again, 25% of whatever I earn is going there. And of course, I'm going to use a portion of that income to do giveaways on the channel, just to show my appreciation and just because I care about you guys. And I thank you to everyone who has given this video a thumbs up. Please remember to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives abundantly. Bye for now. Thank you so much for being here.